The athletes have threatened to quit and return their awards if their demands are not fulfilled. 11 Manipur Sportspersons petition Prime Minister, Home Minister for peace in state, says they will return awards. In this regard, a memorandum submitted by international sports medalists and awardees of the state Manipur, India, to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, 152 South Block, Raisina Hill, New Delhi, 110011. Subject: present situation in Manipur. Honorable Sir, with all due respect, we the undersigned international sports medalists and awardees of the state Manipur, India, have the honor to state the following few lines for your kind perusal, favorable, sympathetic consideration and necessary action. That cookie terrorists have been challenging the integrity of Manipur by killing people and burning down houses despite the deployment of large companies of central security forces in our state, Manipur. It shows that paramilitary forces are reluctant to prevent Kuki militants from attacking innocent civilians. So we condemn such attacks on unarmed civilians, especially in the peripheral areas of Valley districts. From the above facts and circumstances, we submit your good self this memorandum. Number 1. To revoke the suspension of Operation Su, agreement with the Kuki militant groups. Number 2. Restore peace and normalcy at the earliest. Number 3. To protect unity and integrity of the state Manipur. Number 4. The demand to disintegrate Manipur is not acceptable under any circumstances. Number 5. Meiteis are allowed to settle only in the valley, which constitutes just about 10% of the total geographical area of Manipur. As such, where the Meiteis would settle after some years if the present system continue. So, to allow Meiteis to settle at hills of our state Manipur. Number 6. To not accept the demand to disintegrate Manipur. Number 7. To deport illegal immigrants to their respective countries. Number 8. The National Highway number 2 has been blocked for weeks at several locations, resulting in price rise of essential commodities and severely affecting common people. However, state and the central government cannot do anything in this regard. It is very unfortunate, so kindly unblock the National Highway number 2 at the earliest. That we love our country, India, we are proceeding to bring achievement in the field of sports for our country in the world, mainly in the forthcoming Olympic Games. It is pertinent to mention that we shall surrender our awards in case your good self fails to do so. It is therefore we are earnestly drawing your good self kind attention for implementing points of our memorandum at the earliest in the interest of public. That 30 May 2023. With regards, number 1, L. Anita Chanu, Dhyanchan Awardee, weightlifting. Number 2, Padma Shri N. Kunjarani Devi, weightlifting. Number 3, Laisram Sarita Devi, Arjuna Awardee, boxer. Number 4, Oinam Bembem Devi, Padma Shri and Arjuna Awardee. Number 5, Ngangbam Sonia Chanu, Arjuna Awardee and Olympian. Number 6, Mayanglambam Bimoljit Singh, Arjuna Awardee, Wushu. Number 7, Wangkhem Sandhyarani Devi, Arjuna Awardee, Wushu. Number 8, Jumnam Sanathoi Devi, Arjuna Awardee, Wushu. Number 9, Likmabam Susila Devi, Olympian, Arjuna Awardee, Judo. Number 10, Saikom Mirabai Chanu, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Awardee, Padma Shri Awardee, weightlifting, Olympian, silver medalist. Number 11, M. Suranjoy Singh, Arjuna Awardee, boxing.